So F9F, Panther, free wing. This has the X-Fly EDF in it. 64. And she just hand launches beautifully. That's 60% throttle. Now we're at 50. See how she does. She flies beautifully and level on 50. See if we can get a loop in today. Yeah. Nice, nice. Nice. Got a roll. She likes to climb. She's a gorgeous jet. Gorgeous warbird. She has some nice tight turns too. Fly it in a little area. She flies great. Rolls are kind of funky looking, but I think that's due to the tail. Does like a barrel roll. Okay, we got 20 seconds. Come in for a landing. This in here is like a kite. See, as soon as you cut the throttle. Ooh, a belly flop. Still flew great. I love this jet. It's gorgeous. Ah, nice flight. Throttle cuts on. Perfect, perfect. A little muddy, but nice. Flew great. Flew great. I love this jet. Does some weird roll, like a barrel roll. Ooh. Alright. Let's see how that battery did. 3 minutes exactly. Well, 3 minutes, a couple of seconds. It's warm. Nice. Warm, but nice. 30. Wow. Yeah, these are going to take like 10 minutes each to put on in storage. Perfect. F9F. Nice. Next up is the Talon. And then The X-Fly A10 Twin 50 will be last. Nice. Alright. See you on the next one.